Do you think that chickpeas don't belong in chocolate chip cookies? Well, think again, because these chickpea chocolate chip cookies are soft and chewy and absolutely delicious. They also happen to be vegan and gluten-free and dairy-free and oil-free and soy-free and fully plant-based. Okay, first step, we are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to take out what else? A can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. It's exactly the same thing. Yes, I'm serious. You're going to open up those babies. You're going to drain the aquafaba off for another recipe. We can talk about that later. And you're going to pour your can of chickpeas in. Next, date syrup. I love date syrup because it is just purely from dates. So it is a whole food, plant-based. You're going to use 6 tablespoons of that. Date syrup is very thick. It's more like molasses or even caramel, but it's really, really healthy for you. It's full of fiber and antioxidants and vitamins and minerals. You could use maple syrup if you wanted, or agave, or molasses if you wanted. It would change the flavor, but it would be absolutely delicious no matter what you choose. And next, you're going to use peanut butter. You're going to want to use natural peanut butter. We don't want any junky oil, sugar, blah, blah added. You're going to use 2.5 tablespoons of that. Now, if you have extra peanut butter on the spoon, you're going to need to clean it and not with the dishwasher. Hey, did you know baking powder is actually good for you? It has calcium and potassium and phosphorus. I know, I didn't know that. It's amazing, right? So in addition to giving some rise to these cookies, making them more like traditional cookies, they're also good for you. And you're going to use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Vanilla extract, so warm and lovely in every cookie recipe. And you're going to use a teaspoon of that. And next, you're going to add some rolled oats, full of healthy fiber, so good for you. And you're going to add 1/4 cup of rolled oats to your cookie batter. Then you're going to put your batter, your ingredients, into either a high-speed blender like I did or a food processor, and you're going to blend that baby up, and eventually it will look like this. That is what your cookie dough batter should look like. Going to open it up for you, and now you're probably going to have some stuck to the blade, but you are going to want to get every molecule off of that blade because you are going to be in love with these cookies and you don't want to waste anything. Now this cookie dough batter is very sticky, so you definitely want to put parchment paper on top of your cookie dough tray. Now, you're going to want to make all of your cookies the same size. You know, that's like a very healthy tablespoon, probably even 2 tablespoons worth of cookie dough to make each cookie. For more healthy, easy recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. Now, after you put all of the cookies out, you're going to want to flatten them. And again, you're going to want them to be uniform and all the same size. Now, chocolate chips. If you're a chocoholic like I am, then you're going to want to add a lot. But that is completely up to you. These cookies are very customizable. Don't judge me and my love for chocolate, please. Now, after you put your chocolate chips on, you're going to want to flatten the chocolate chips into the cookies, so they should look like this. And now they're ready to go into the oven. They're going to need to bake probably for about 15 to 20 minutes. Every oven is different, so check yours. And after that, now your home is going to smell so good. You're going to really be excited to eat them right away. But don't make the same mistake I did. I know that I should have waited probably up to 30 minutes, but I was like, I'm not waiting. I'm impatient. So I took them off and I lost a few molecules of chickpea chocolate chip cookies, and that is a crime. So as you can tell, they are soft and chewy and delicious. Can you taste the chickpeas? Absolutely not. For more healthy, easy recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. And for more healthy, easy, skinny cookie recipes, check out this video.